KWHouse is located in the middle of a native preservation forest based on Coihu, Olmo, and Arrayanes in front of the mountain range called El Sergio, an ancient wild boar pass between Chile and Argentina at the foot of the Villarrica volcano in the south of Chile. The house was designed based on the following strategy. The first floor was built as a glass aquarium based on a large open floor plan with 3 stairs that function as structure and circulation in the central axis, where the living room, dining room, and kitchen are located. Wherever you are on the first floor, you feel in the middle of a native forest, always with a comfortable temperature thanks to good thermal insulation based on polyurethane and an aluminum frame window with thermal break and low-E thermopanel windows. All axes of the 3 stairs face windows on both sides, which allows totally natural cross-ventilation. On both sides of the dining room, folding windows were projected that allow 100% opening of the features, increasing ventilation in summer and allowing a direct connection through wooden bridges with the terrace that faces the Sergio Mountains and a path that ends in a campfire in the middle of the native forest. In summer, the house works from the dining room to the sides from east to west, taking advantage of the folding windows, turning the dining room into a kind of open barbecue area. In winter, when it is cold, the house works completely hermetically on itself based on a perimeter circulation that connects the 2 recreation sectors at the ends of the house to maintain comfortable temperatures, the fireplace in the living room to the north, and the living room with the wood stove towards the south. The second floor is designed as a series of apartments, each with its bathroom and staircase, which allows the pieces to be connected and disconnected thanks to a series of lobbies that top the stairs, allowing different degrees of proximity to the guests.